Term Structure tab visualizes how implied volatility and option pricing evolves across expirations for at-the-money options. By comparing short and long-dated positioning, this interactive view uses real-time data to show how trader exposure is changing as the market moves. At the bottom of the main page, you can adjust the time frame using the sliding scale. The default setting is 3 months, but you can select any window from 1 day to 1 year. For additional context, the gray cone represents the volatility range between the 10th and 90th percentiles, helping you quickly identify tradable outliers. You can also hover anywhere over the chart to view specific expiration dates, key upcoming events, and corresponding volatility levels. Next, within the settings menu under the expiration date view, you can enable or disable the forward IV adjustment. This adjustment shows where implied volatility should be based on time decay, historical statistics, upcoming economic events, and SpotGamma's proprietary IV calculations. You can also select a shorter look-back period for comparison or focus on a specific date of interest. To switch from a date-driven view to days to expiration, simply toggle the days to expiration option within settings. For additional guidance, click the eye icon on any SpotGamma product or visit our support center. Trader tip: check the gray shaded area, the cone, to see if IV is higher for near-term expiration dates or further out expirations, paying attention to upcoming earnings or economic events.